Welcome to ESL Class 101, where English is made simple and learning is made fun. Welcome to our session on masterfully using the future continuous tense. Today, we'll explore its advanced uses with clear, practical examples. Let's jump right in. The future continuous tense describes actions that will be ongoing at a specific moment in the future. It's structured using will be, followed by a verb ending in ing. For example, I will be studying for the exam. With that structure in mind, let's look at more advanced cases. Use the future continuous to describe something that is expected to start before a future point and may continue beyond it, especially when it's already planned or arranged. For example, they will be attending the party next week, or he will be helping me clean the entire house. The future continuous is also useful for describing events that are part of a routine or schedule. For instance, we'll be using room 3 again for our meeting next Monday. Or, tomorrow morning, as usual, she'll be jogging around the park for half an hour before breakfast. We can also use the present continuous when talking about arranged future events. Read these examples. We will be leaving for Istanbul at 7 o'clock in the evening. I will be meeting my doctor on Monday at 8 a.m. Note that the present continuous can also be used to talk about arranged future events. The future continuous can also be used to sound more polite and less direct. Instead of asking, "Will you attend the party?" which could sound like an invitation or request, you can say, "Will you be attending the party tomorrow?" It's a subtle way to inquire about someone's plans without putting pressure on them. Here is another example. Let's recap the 4 advanced uses of the future continuous. First, use it to describe actions already planned that will be in progress at a future point. Second, describe timetabled future events. Third, you can often swap it with the present continuous for planned activities. And lastly, use it to make your questions feel softer and more polite. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more advanced grammar tips. And I'd love to see your examples of the future continuous in the comments. See you next time.